Hi everybody, Mark here from Panel Perfect. Today I'm going to be working on 2016 Golf GTD that's due back to a lease company shortly. Has a couple of dings, I'll show you those in a second. So this is the Golf that we're going to be working on today. You can see we have a couple of dents, one towards the top of the door, one in the lower door. Now this is a better access area for access to the door. Unfortunately it's quite a sharp bit of damage, so I'm not quite sure what's hit that. It looks a little bit more than a standard door ding. There's a little tiny scratch, as you can see, through it as well, but we should be able to hopefully polish that out once the dent has been fixed. And this is the second area of damage up here. Almost looks like almost two dents in the top of the door, gone into the body line slightly, but it doesn't bother me too much. So, slightly trickier repair. But being a black car, it will obviously need to be absolutely perfect. So let's see how we get on. I'll report back in once we're done. Hi, back again. All done with the Golf repair. There's a little tiny blemish in the paint, which we knew about. We've polished it out as best we can. Stands out a bit more on the video actually than it does in person, so I think certainly we get away with that. And the repair to the top of the door also has come out really well. Very clean repair, and again, we'll pass any inspection for a lease return vehicle. So if you have your car coming to the end of a lease or a PCP agreement and have a few dents, give us a call.